In this video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Afterpay card number. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The quickest and simplest way to do this is to open up the latest version of the Afterpay app on your phone, so make sure you are up to date and running the latest version of the app. And inside of the app, you can simply select the Card tab at the bottom of your screen. Within the Card tab, you will have a bunch of information regarding your Afterpay card, including of course its number and security code. From there, you will be able to directly use it for payments and anything you wish to use it for inside Afterpay, and of course see the details about the cards. If, for some reason, you do not see your card listed under there, you have to contact the Afterpay support by selecting the Help option inside of the app or the website. Regardless, that option should be defaulted as long as your account is verified, and you will be able to see your card and use it for purchases in there. From the menu, you also have the option to add that card to apps like your Apple Wallet to use it through Apple Pay and other payment methods. I hope I was able to help you on how to see your Afterpay card number. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.